If I told you that one simple exercise could build muscle, improve your hormones, enhance blood flow, and even biohack your longevity, would you try it every day? Because that's exactly what happens when you squat 100 times a day. You've seen the before and after transformations, but what's happening inside your body, hormonally, metabolically, and neurologically, is far more fascinating. In this video, we'll explore what happens to your body when you commit to 100 daily squats and how to biohack your results to double your transformation in half the time. Let's begin. Why the squat is a human reset button. The squat isn't just an exercise. It's a primal movement hardwired into our DNA. It's how our ancestors rested, lifted, and survived. Every time you squat, you engage more than 200 muscles. Your glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, core, and spinal stabilizers all fire at once. But here's the hidden part. This one movement triggers systemic adaptation throughout the body. Your testosterone, growth hormone, and BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a compound that literally grows new brain cells, all rise after intense squat sessions. That means every rep you do doesn't just sculpt your legs, it literally rewires your brain for focus, motivation, and longevity. Biohack tip number 1. To boost your hormone response, do your 100 squats within 30 minutes of waking when your natural cortisol peak gives you energy. Doing this fasted enhances growth hormone release by up to 300%. The first week, shock and adaptation. Let's be real, and the first few days are brutal. Your quads will scream, your glutes will burn, and walking downstairs will feel like torture. That's your nervous system learning. It's building new neuromuscular connections. This is called the neurological adaptation phase. Your brain begins recruiting more muscle fibers per rep. By day 5 or 6, your soreness decreases and your body starts craving the movement. Biohack tip number 2. After every squat session, apply cold therapy, a 1-minute cold shower or ice pack on your legs. Cold exposure reduces inflammation, speeds recovery, and increases mitochondrial density, meaning your muscles produce more energy next time. Think of it as installing a better engine inside your legs. Week 2, metabolic reboot. Around week 2, your metabolism kicks into high gear. Squats use massive muscle groups, which means your body burns more calories, not just during the workout, but for hours afterward. This is called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, and it can last up to 24 hours. That's why daily squatting becomes a fat loss secret. Your body starts burning fat even while sitting. Your core tightens, your legs firm up, and your heart works more efficiently. But the real biohack here? Breathing. When you exhale deeply as you rise, you activate your parasympathetic system, balancing stress hormones and increasing oxygen delivery to your muscles. Biohack tip number 3. Try the 3-1-3 breathing method while squatting. Inhale for 3 seconds as you go down, hold 1 second at the bottom, exhale powerfully for 3 seconds on the way up. This stabilizes your blood pressure, strengthens your diaphragm, and sharpens focus, turning squats into a meditation in motion. Week 3, body recomposition begins. By week 3, your muscles start to visibly change shape. Your glutes lift, your thighs define, and your waist tightens, even without changing your diet. That's because squats naturally boost insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to shuttle nutrients into muscles instead of storing them as fat. Your body starts to partition calories efficiently. In simple terms, Food turns into fuel, not fat. Biohack. Tip number 4, add L-carnitine, 500 to 1,000 milligrams, or black coffee 20 minutes before squatting. These compounds activate fat oxidation, helping your body burn stored fat for energy while protecting lean muscle mass. Bonus hack. Listen to 40 Hz binaural beats during your session. Studies show this frequency enhances motor coordination and boosts dopamine release, making your workout feel easier while you stay focused. Week 4, the hormonal switch. By now, you're no longer just stronger. Your hormones are upgrading too. Daily squats stimulate testosterone and growth hormone release, 2 critical hormones for muscle gain, recovery, and youthful energy. Even women benefit from this, not by becoming bulky, but by improving body composition, metabolism, and confidence. Your posture improves because your spinal erectors strengthen, pulling your shoulders back and opening your chest. That upright posture sends signals of confidence and even increases dopamine, the motivation neurotransmitter. Biohack. Tip number 5. Perform your squats in natural sunlight or under red light therapy. Light exposure increases testosterone, collagen production, and ATP energy output in muscle cells. It's like adding solar power to your training session. Mind and mood upgrade. Let's talk about something people rarely mention, the mental transformation. When you force yourself through 100 squats every day, your brain releases endorphins and anandamide, the bliss molecules. These chemicals elevate mood, reduce anxiety, and sharpen focus for hours. Consistent movement also increases dopamine receptor sensitivity, meaning you feel more motivated not just to exercise, but to eat better, sleep better, and chase goals more consistently. Biohack. Tip number 6. Stack your squats with a gratitude or visualization practice immediately afterward. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and visualize your ideal body or life for 60 seconds. This locks in a neurochemical reward loop, training your brain to associate effort with success, a powerful mindset shift used by elite athletes. Advanced variations. Once 100 squats start feeling easy, it's time to evolve. Here are 3 progression hacks. Tempo squats. Slow down your descent to 5 seconds. This increases time under tension and triggers new muscle growth. Pulse squats. Add tiny pulses at the bottom. This activates fast twitch fibers for power and tone. Weighted squats. Hold a water bottle or backpack. Even 5 to 10 pounds increases resistance enough to challenge your nervous system again. Biohack tip number 7. Try blood flow restriction training, BFR, once or twice a week, wrapping elastic bands lightly around your thighs to limit venous return. This causes a surge of growth hormone and muscle-building metabolites, simulating heavy training even with light weights. Do this carefully. Remove immediately after your set and never tighten too much. Long-term rewards. After a full month, the difference is undeniable. Your legs are leaner, your metabolism faster, and your endurance higher. But beyond the physical, your mitochondrial health, insulin sensitivity, circulation, and even lymphatic drainage all improve. You'll feel less fatigued, sleep deeper, and recover faster from other workouts. And because your posture and core strength improve, you'll even look more confident and energized. Biohack tip number 8. To sustain your results, pair your daily squats with magnesium glycinate before bed for muscle recovery, collagen plus vitamin C in the morning for joint health, and 7 to 8 hours of deep screen-free sleep for hormonal balance. So what really happens when you squat 100 times a day? You don't just build muscle, you rebuild yourself from stronger legs to a sharper mind, from balanced hormones to a more confident posture. This one simple habit can biohack your body from the ground up. No gym, no equipment, just consistency. If you're ready for the 100 squat challenge, commit for 30 days, track your progress, and come back to share your transformation in the comments. And if you want more science-backed biohacks like this, hit that like button and subscribe, because your best self starts with daily motion. See you in the next one.